Previously on Roses and Daggers.
You don't have to be scared of me. Come with me.
What if you're going to use me for money rituals? I know rich people like you make their money like that.
Not every rich person. I'm taking you to the hotel with me.
What? Oh, you think I'm one of those girls? Because I am poor? You think you can just come and sleep with me like that?
No, it's not.
I will curse you if you don't leave here.
Well, I was thinking maybe we could go alone. You know, you and I. Just as my way of saying thank you for everything you've done for me.
Come on. It's not needed.
But I want to. I really want to. I've done nothing for you before.
That's fine. If you insist, I'll make time for one of these days.
All right, that'll make me very happy.
Is that not Ceci?
Good Lord.
What is she doing here?
I met her on site and I ordered her to go home.
Yeah, but how did she get here?
Thank you for everything.
Oh, you've thanked me enough.
No.
Ceci.
You took me out of an impossible situation. I didn't think I would ever come back home.
You know, no one should be forced into doing anything he or she doesn't want to. Look, you have a clean slate now, so you can start all over again. Promise me you won't get yourself into that situation again.
What we stand to get from these people is not an end to what we can achieve together.
I don't make partners. I make my own rules.
Valerie called.
What did you tell her?
Nothing. I couldn't pick her because I...
Got it. Thanks, Patrick.
Will I ever see you again?
Well, I normally pay a visit to the site once in a month. And so I'm sure I'll pass through on one of my visits.
Hello, Mom. Please, where are you? This is Valerie. Yes, I'm at the hospital now. Okay, then I'll wait for you out there, OPD? Yes.
Valerie.
Hey, Mom, where is she? Have you seen her yet?
No, not yet. The nurse said she'll take me to her. Still, and I have to get her this medication.
So you haven't seen her yet?
No, they keep giving me excuses upon excuses. And I have to buy her this medication. I didn't bring money with me. I was just about to enter a car and go home to get her some money.
Excuse me, Mommy. Hey, Dr. Clark.
Hi, Valerie, right?
Yes, yes. I imagine we have a bit of good news.
For now, yes.
For now? Is she still pregnant or not?
Yes, she's still pregnant.
Thank God.
She had a threatened miscarriage. But she will need further tests to be sure this is not a missed miscarriage.
Missed miscarriage?
I said for now earlier. We will conduct an ultrasound tomorrow to be sure the fetus has a steady heartbeat.
So for now she's still pregnant?
I believe it's a threatened miscarriage. She still has her baby.
So, well, when can she go home?
She could have gone today, but her blood pressure is very high.
She must have been so scared to the skin.
She's been through a lot. She had cause to panic. We'll have to detain her till tomorrow at least. It will also give her time to rest properly. She needs to relax.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. You know my office, right?
Yes.
Come to me if you have any other questions.
Sure, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hello, Mike.
Where are you?
Mike, I'm already on my way. I'm coming.
Are you walking or in the car?
I'm walking.
Why are you lying? Your shift ended an hour ago and you've missed sociology already.
Mike, I will be there soon. I need to.
When? When the lecture is over?
Hello? 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 Mike?
So what happened? I called you so many times and your phone was off. I called Patrick, it was ringing. Then later on I called back, then it goes off. Do you know how worried I was about you?
Look, I can only imagine. I'm sorry.
So?
Well, look, I made a last-minute decision to pass through another village. You know, I've had several informal, discussions on a possible job in that area. So I went over myself to do the survey on my own. Look, I had no clue that the roads were that bad. We ended up staying overnight in a place that I wouldn't even call as a hotel.
But you should have called.
Look, the reception was very poor. Listen, I'm very sorry. I passed by, to check on Anita and just let you know that I'm fine.
Well, I'm almost done here. We go home together?
Alright.
Let me just say goodbye to Anita, okay?
Right.
Do I still have any clothes in this house? Good. You're not sleeping without taking a shower?
No. I can't afford to do that. I just need a second's rest.
Well, you take too long there. I'm going to take my shower now. Good morning to you.
Hey. Slept good?
Yep. What happened to my morning kiss? That's more like it. I have to go in so early this morning. I have so much to do at the office. Plus, I have to pass through the hospital to see Anita.
You have a full day.
Yep. But we can still catch up and meet up for lunch. That way, you can hear all about myself and your mom.
That was a beautiful photo of you two.
Don't get fooled by those beautiful smiles. Anyway, I'm heading to the shower. Are you fixing breakfast?
Yeah, sure.
Now that you are free to pursue anything you want, what's the plan? What do you want to do? Do you still want to go back to the city?
Mm-hmm.
But you have no money. The little money your friend gave me would not be sufficient.
He gave you money?
It will not be sufficient to take you to school. Maybe you can stay here and start some trading.
Dada, I don't want to stay here. There is nothing here.
But you have no education, no skills. You know no one out there. How do you expect to survive in the city?
Dada, I will.
Like you did the last time? If that man hadn't found you, what would have happened? You'd still have been roaming the streets like a mad woman. Now listen to me. The only way I will agree to your living here again is for you to have some vocational skills, and I'll give you this money, and you can go to the city, set up your own business. Then I'll not have to worry about you. That's the only way I'll let you go.
But finishing my vocational training won't take less than 2 years.
I know that. You can run away if you want to, without my blessing. Decide which one you want to do.
You can't just drop school and go chasing after your sister. You have a lot of catching up to do as it is.
Michael, I need answers.
For what?
Mike, she is my sister. Mike, she might not be the best sister in the world, but she's still my sister. I need to help her reason, okay? She needs to come home. She needs to call her mom.
You think she will listen to you?
She might not. But it also gives an idea if you are right about her. Then I could talk to this woman to see if she could help us get treatment for her. They seem to be friends, and this is the second time I'm seeing them together.
Fine, but not now, Kumba. You have assignments to complete and 2 more lectures. You work there, you can just check on her in the evening. Look, I can't keep doing double work just to cover for you here, knowing you don't even care if you fail or pass.
Mike, of course I care.
Then act like it.
Hello, Valerie. Can you meet me down in the car park? I wanted to have a little chat with you. Okay. Hello, darling.
Hey, Mom, I didn't know you were coming.
Well, I didn't know either. But Baba came by the house with the most amazing fabrics. So I wanted to show you one before you went out looking for any. I thought this one would be perfect for your traditional wedding.
Yeah, it's lovely.
And she had the perfect lace for Sunday.
Sunday?
Yes, Sunday. It's okay. I already spoke to my pastor. Why in the hell don't you go to church anyway? It's great for your socialization, too. Anyway, that's for another day. She also had some good fabrics. I think you should select one for your mom. We know she has absolutely no fashion sense, and she needs to look her best that day.
Yes.
Hey.
Your mom just left here.
Where's she dragging you off to this time?
It's not where, it's what. She came here and flooded my office with laces and Katie. She's just made selections for us already.
And you're not happy because...
If only she would ask. I already bought my Katie. How was I supposed to tell her that when she is already here with her own choices?
Alright, okay. Look, I'll have to talk to her, okay?
Wisely, I don't want to start this marriage with her hating me. It's not funny.
Okay, I'll handle it.
Okay, chat later.
Mom? Mom? Winifred?
Annie!
What the?
I
I'm so sorry. I had someone calling. And then the door opened and I thought Anita was back home. Sorry.
You mean you mistook my voice for hers?
I'm sorry, yeah. Actually, I was in the shower, so I guess I didn't hear well. I'm sorry.
Alright. Anyway, thank you. Please excuse me.
Okay, but how is she doing?
She's fine.
And the baby?
My mother didn't tell you?
Honestly, I don't think she likes me much. She barely talks to me, you know.
Baby is fine. And, where is she anyway? My mom.
Oh, you just missed her. She left a little while ago.
Okay. Alright. Thank you. Please excuse me.
Welcome. Can I fix you anything for lunch? You must be very hungry. I know you've had a long day, you know.
Thank you very much. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm fine.
Well, if you need anything, I'm here. Okay.
Yeah, hello? Yeah. I got home late morning. There wasn't too much traffic. Yeah, that was my list of concerns. Yes. Let me call you back, please. Yes, everything is fine.
Oh, it's even stopped ringing. It's been ringing non-stop. Anita's phone?
Drop it on the bed.
Okay. Oh, are you going back to the hospital?
Yes.
Well, can I come with you? I haven't yet been able to go and see her.
Yes.
Thank you.
Take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no one. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my sissy. Hey, your brow, quaint to